Hi, and welcome back to Fake It Till You Make It, or hi if you're new. I'm Katie. Today we are unboxing the Kell of a Plan Content Creator Planner and Sticker Book. I'm really excited about this. I saw a little, sneaky peeky of this. I'm an ambassador. This was sent to me. It was gifted, and I do have an affiliate link if you choose to shop, but I'm really excited about this because, as some of you may know, I struggle a little bit with being consistent. And part of that is just my 9-to-5 job is pretty demanding. I work a lot of hours. I probably, even though I technically only see patients 4 days a week, I usually end up working probably upwards of 60 hours a week. So that is a big part of it. But another part is just being well organized and having a plan. And obviously, if you're here, you're probably a fellow planner. You enjoy planning. So this is something like I've been struggling with. So I'm really actually personally excited for this. So let's get into it. We'll look at this and then we'll look at the sticker book because I'm most excited to dig into this. I also really like the colorway. I just want to make sure you guys are in focus there. Growth happens when you keep on showing up. And I do like the graphics. It's plastic, black plastic metal discs. And it says, "This is your year." Let me turn this glue stick that way. And so then we have important dates, and then obviously the 12 months. And I do believe this is undated, which is nice. So you can buy it, start it whenever you want. You can gift it to somebody if you know someone maybe who's trying to like get their content journey going. I think this would be perfect. Defining your why. So use this page to help you reflect on the heart behind your platform and define the core details of your brand by digging into your why and clarifying your niche, value, and goals. You will create a strong foundation that will guide the content you share. Use this page as both a starting point and a reference when you need to realign with your purpose. So why did you start creating content? What excites you most about sharing online? What problem are you trying to solve, or what value do you want to add to others' lives? How do you want your audience to feel when they interact with your content? So I love this because if you don't know Heather's story, she did a little series. Definitely check it out on Instagram, kind of talking about her story. Basically, she was a teacher. She started doing content and launched this multi-million-dollar business. And it all started from her sharing content on Instagram. And so she has a really inspiring story. I've heard her speak about it at a couple conferences, and it is honestly very inspiring. And she's so kind. She's giving, she gives back, but she is also like super motivated and driven. So I think that, coming from someone who has done it, sometimes we see people share like, oh, here's a content planner, but like they haven't, maybe they don't have like the following, or they haven't quite like, like they don't have the proof is in the pudding kind of a thing, where I feel like with Heather, she does, like this is like what she did to build her business. And so I think, again, proof is in the pudding. So anyway, that's just my personal opinion. But let's get back into this planner. Why does success as a content creator look like to you? What does your handle, tagline, or brand statement? What primary niches are you focusing on? Write out 3 to 5 brand values. Write out 3 to 5 brand values: authenticity, consistency, education, inspiration, entertainment, etc. Write out your ideal audience description: age, interest, struggles, etc. And I think I said why and not what there, so I apologize. Mission statement, basically write out your mission statement. Help the audience with a problem. How do you do it? Brainstorm your content pillars. List 3 to 5 main topics you consistently share about. Visual mood board, sketch, doodle, or jot keywords that capture your brand vibe. We have some goal setting, dream big, long-term vision. Describe what you ultimately want to achieve with your platform. Why is this goal matters? Reflect on how this goal connects back to your mission. Why? Set 3 goals for your platform, including action steps on how you will achieve these goals. So you have 3 goals and then your action steps. Social media account, tracking your followers, which I think is good. Like if that is your purpose is to grow or to create a business, it is a metric that you probably want to look at. You know, if you're just posting just for the fun of it, for the sheer joy of it, and you know, that's it, this may not be important for you. Social media account, tracking your followers. Okay, so you get 2 of those, which is good because I feel like, but even now there's TikTok. So I would maybe even do like, for me, like I might do YouTube on one sheet and then TikTok and Instagram on another and just kind of draw a line down the middle. Collaboration pitch list, handle channel tracking your potential collabs, brand to pitch requirements, contact and response. Brand partnerships tracker, tracking your earnings, something I'm not good at. Always at tax time, I'm like going back through trying to figure things out. So I need to be better about that. Tracking partnership projects, so brand project post date and submitted. Content ideas, potential ideas for content. I love this. Filmed, edited, posted, views. A year of content, so maybe mapping out like themes or major campaigns and being able to kind of track that. And then we have all the months and the days, and then you have a monthly reflection. Taking time to reflect each month helps you identify what strategies and content are working so you can do more of what resonates with your audience. It also highlights areas that are not going as planned, giving you the chance to adjust before you waste time or energy. So like that. Strategy gives creativity a place to stand. I love the colors of this, and I like the little icons. I think that's really cute. So important this month, monthly theme. In this box, plan out your theme for the month. What core message do you want your audience to hear this month? What are the 1 to 3 intentional words to describe this month? Use this content pillar to track and keep track of the different types of content you are posting each day so that your content remains balanced, not all promo, but not all fluff. So content pillar tracker, education, promotion, community, personal, entertainment. I love that. You could even color coordinate this and do like each of these in a different color, which is probably what I'll do. And then you could put the days of the month there, and you can color code it. So at a quick glance, you can look and see, you know, and maybe you need to rebalance things. Maybe, you know, something, oh, I was going to post 2 similar things, you know, one right after the other, and you can kind of switch direction. Use this platform tracker to help keep track of how often you post on each platform. This will help you not accidentally ghost a platform this month. This is super important because, like, especially with short form content, I can reuse that same piece of content on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, but I don't always do that. Sometimes it's a time constraint, or like, oh, I just have a quick minute, so I'm just going to post it on Instagram. But really, that's a loss. It's a waste of good content that could go in other places. So I do like that. Use this goal section to plan out your top 3 goals for the month. What do you hope to achieve this month? Use this follower account tracker to track how many followers you gained across your platform. So platform, beginning of the month, end of month. And I do like that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for me, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, those are the 3 places I tend to post. And then you have your monthly little calendar that is undated, nice and neutral. And then we get into the week. So weekly goals, weekly theme, video content. So video of the day, filmed, edited, uploaded, description, monetized, title and tags, thumbnail, scheduled. This to me is like, oh, that's going to be a game changer. I think just being like, getting into the habit of planning out my content, but also I love that you can like, yes, check, because there are some times where I've done a video and I forgot to take a thumbnail, and you know, maybe the lighting isn't good then. So I kind of love this, that I can keep track of like, yes, you've done this. Reels and post, so you have a separate one for that. I love that, and it's the same kind of thing across the top there. Community, reply to comments, respond to DMs, engage with others, respond to emails, connect with others. Wins and what worked. Platform post tracker. So this is just to track like what days you posted. So again, you have plenty of room you know, if you have like a Patreon, or maybe you are on Pinterest or Discord or whatever, you have plenty of room to write that and then kind of check off what days of the week you are posting. Content pillar tracker, color code the above post tracker with your different content pillars to ensure a variety of posts. And that goes back to that other one. I didn't even know that she said that, but great minds think alike. So I like the color coding. And then we have this nice little weekly, and there's like these nice little dots that kind of, again, go coordinate with these, right? Education, promotion, community, personal, entertainment. So you can kind of color code. And I like that there's 3 spots. So for me, I would probably use this as like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, but that's just me. Yeah, and so you're just going to get that week after week. And then, yes, and then reviewing this month, what am I proud of? So you want to talk about something that you achieved this month or that you're proud of. Your content pillar tracker. Use this content pillar tracker to count how many of each type of post you shared this month. Were you successful in creating a variety of content? And then this is like the same, education, personal, right? We've seen this. Best performing post, which I think is also really helpful and something I know I don't always do, but what posts are doing good? What engages your audience? You know, what makes them want to come back? It's good to know that, because if you are trying to grow a business or to make money or to sell product or to sell yourself or whatever it may be, you want to know like what's doing good. Is it something, you know, that I can replicate? Or so I think that that's really important. So platform, describe post, number of views, why did it perform well? Use this section to help plan next month based on things that you learned this month, next month's theme, one thing to do more of next month, one thing to do less of next month, one word intention, and then what went well, a little journal spot. So, and then, you know, these are just going to continue, and I believe it looks like you get 12 months, 2, 3, well, let's look at least at the dashboard. So first I drink the coffee, then I plan the content. You know it. Engagement does not define your worth. Create with intention, not with pressure. Growth happens when you keep on showing up. Create for connection, not comparison. I know that's one of her favorite quotes, is comparison is a thief of joy, which I would agree. Someone needs what you are creating. The best plans leave room for connection. Tools of the trade. If I can get my big old fat hand out of there. Your story is part of your strategy. Very true. One day you will look back and be glad you started. True. Because I feel like any content creator will tell you, just start. Like, it'll never be perfect. You learn as you go. Literally, I've never heard anybody say, oh no, wait till this or until you have that. So that is the content planner. That is so cute. I like the design on that and the stripes. Very cute. So I'm really excited actually to personally use this. So we're going to set this to the side because I definitely want to maybe take some time later today, this evening, to kind of fill out that this kind of section, the defining your why and the kind of getting started. So very cool. And then we have a sticker book that goes along with it, Content Creator Basics. Okay. Make sure that you guys can see. I tend to want to pull things down towards me. I really like the colorway that she chose for this. And you're going to get 2 pages of paper stickers. Cute. So you're going to get the same thing, 2 of each, so we don't have to hoard the stickers. These are really cute. I'm actually quite excited about this. I know this may not be for everyone. Obviously, not everybody is a content creator, but I think this could be really beneficial. So then you're going to get, oops, I think I have 2 pages sticking together here. There we go. We got some cool quotes. Strategy gives creativity a place to stand. Algorithms change, your passion does not. It's okay to start small. You're going to get 2 of those, and then these are going to fit into the boxes in the planner. She's always very good about having things like measure out. So you get some functional boxes in black, and then you have some of these really pretty earthy tones. We have some nice lists, checklists, dots, little monthly boxes. So I think that's great. Nice. Just kind of help organize. Oh, nice. Content pillar plans, and we have those same 5 kind of categories. Little check marks. Some more black functional boxes, and these will fit on the pages. I can't wait to kind of get started using this, honestly. I think this is a perfect time because we're kind of coming on that time of year where there's a lot of launches happening or about to happen. Several different brands that I work with. So it's like the perfect time, kind of like this end of June, beginning of July period to kind of put this to good use and get everything down on paper and in this planner. So you'll have to let me know, is content creation something that you're interested in? And what do you think of this? If you are a content creator or are, you know, looking to be a content creator, you'll have to let me know down below. But I think that this is a great little collection, and I'm really excited. If you choose to shop, as always, there'll be an affiliate link down below. And I hope you guys are having the coffee is kicking in, and the words want to come out quicker. My brain wants to spit them out quicker than my mouth is working this morning. I hope you guys are having a great week, planning your best life, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.